Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a texture in Photoshop. It's very easy and quick, so let's get started. I have a blue gradient here as an example. We're going to turn it into a crumpled paper, so you'll need a crumpled paper texture image. You can find many textures online. Just Google the type of texture you're looking for. Now let's import the texture. You can simply drag and drop the texture image on top of your main image. Make sure it covers the entire area of the main image. With the texture layer selected, go to the blending mode drop-down at the top of the layers panel and change it from normal to multiply. This will blend the texture with your main image, giving it a crumpled effect. If the texture effect is too strong for the look you're going for, you might want to tone it down a bit by adjusting the opacity of the texture layer. You can do this by selecting the texture layer in the layers panel and moving the opacity slider to the left. The amount is completely up to you. And that's it! You've successfully added a texture to your image in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.